Viewers, subscribers, just vibes radio. Welcome people, I hope you're alright and I hope you're doing okay. We have two topics we want to talk about today, as you can see the title of this video. So then further ado, we are going to jump straight into the video, my people. If it's your first time here, share, subscribe now, click that bell icon to turn on your post notification. Watch ya, Rytikal finally get bail at $1 million. We're going to talk about it. We have some information here as to what the defense team argued back there today that lead to Rytikal getting this bail offer. My people, also thing took place today in Maypen, brawling, and we have video of that, as I can see on your screen, and we're going to talk about that some more. But first, let's talk about Rytikal getting bail at 1 million Jamaican dollar. So remember the video I did earlier this morning, or earlier rather, if you're just watching this video, and if you haven't done so as it, you can go check it out. I did mention that today the future of Tamil and Rytikal will be decided, which I was right, of course. Now, we saw where Tamil Sparta was sentenced to 3 years in prison, which he will do too, of course. And now we realize that Rytikal get bail, which I was saying that, it's a high possibility that Rytikal will get bail this time around instead of being remanded again. And this was the reason why, or one of the reasons, should I say it. Now, more people. So Rytikal defense team and members of his camp, Eastside Records, they stood by their words, with evidence also based on what I'm seeing or what I'm also hearing. They argued that the weapon, remember I'm saying it in the previous video as well, you can go watch it again. They argued that the weapon found in the Rytikal vehicle was not Rytikal's one. You get me? Now, the justice team was like, then wait a doing a film car if it was not film one. Them a make the justice system know, say, what we don't know how he reach in there. Probably somebody a try frame him. You get me? I guess them a go do fingerprint and all of them things there. But that was what they are his justice team argued in court today. And remember, they been saying it for the past couple trials and that. The weapon is not for Rytikal. If you don't know, Rytikal is currently on gun and ammunition charges. Same thing that Tamil said Charles Tamil is and who is now currently facing 3 years behind bars. But it's just a good look. Say Rytikal get bail, him can continue with him career, focus on him career until him next hearing. You get me? That's something good. $1 million bail, that's still a lot of money. But I guess it is worth it. I know him record team, Eastside Records, didn't have a problem paying that sum of money. I guess him have to probably put out some good amount of song no for make up back the money, because $1 million are not joke money. Well, it probably not be joke money to people who have money, but I still money same. Know there's something they got. So expect Rytikal to put out some banger. And as I said earlier, the man have talent. An artist where a lot of people rate. Me personally rate Rytikal. No joke. I rate Rytikal. You see me? But my people, good look for the artist. Him there road now. It's just ironic how Tamil Sparta is watching Rytikal being a free man now while he serves here. And both of them were charged on gun charges and ammunition. Too bad Tamil Sparta didn't get a chance to get bail. I guess it's because him being a flight risk, and he's been back and forth with the justice system. It's just good that him get 3 years and not 4 or 5 or 6 or 7, which me telling you I'm happy for that, my people. But yeah, Rytikal is a free man. I think he was tried fairly. And his justice team had a very fair argument, which led him to get that $1 million bail. My viewers, subscribers, we're moving along. So, something took place in Maypen today, brawling, as you can see on the screen. I have to blur it out because YouTube gone. We have to see the identity of the female them. We don't want to just put them out there like that. But as I can see, 2 armed men, in a phone place, the man might take up be a phone. We can tell us the amount of iPhone 12 and Android, Samsung S10 Plus. You see me there, so the man might take up all of them. It appears as if them tie up the female them from behind, as I can see. You get me? And at gunpoint, my people, though, but I feel the man them no harm. And them they went with a lot of phones and cash as well. So them are gonna sell about them because them they done unlock already, because as I can see them in a box. It's so lucky that the camera catch them, CTV. CTV. What you call them camera there where they open I see? Anyways, camera catch them viewers, subscribers, but I don't know how I'm run by the camera there because the man them face mask up to the brim. I guess Corona give these criminals upper hand in carrying out these type of act, because as I can see the man kerchief right up in his face. I don't know what them are gonna make out the hombre there. And the next hombre, I don't know if them have a next camera where I showed a different angle where them probably can make up something, but where there's will, there's a way. And at first we see them things here, man. Police still manage to get some form of lead to get back to them type of people here. So I hope them find them, because as I say, it really look away if you know say you work so hard for your things, man. People just come and take them, man. We can tell the phone company they're small business they have to spend a piece of food to get them amount of phone. Not to mention if you have some iPhone today and some Samsung, some latest Samsung today. And man, them have full up a bag them. So say some good amount. The man probably left this with approximately $500,000 worth of phone. Yeah, man, them amount of money there, no joke. You get more viewers, subscribers, but me I hope them catch them. You see it, and me glad. And why me even talk about the mere fact that them went with so many phone. Me just glad to say the 3 females were not hurt. That's the most important thing. You don't feel a way if say them get what they want and still do the female them something. You get me? So the females, they were not harmed. The men they fled the scene with the phones and cash, I heard, in Mapping. So give God thanks here the female them not hurt. And none bad never really happened to them apart from the phone with them take away and cash. But my viewers, subscribers, and see them things here happen. So more we go up on the road, we're not sure if we're gonna make it back. You see me, we're not sure if we're gonna make it back home alive to our family. Anything can happen once you up on the road, so just have a prayer, ask God for guide you, and just hope you make it back home safe to your family. And this time around, these females manage to make it back home to them family safe and so on, and that's awesome, my people. But when I enjoy the video no more, comment what's your thought on these 2 topics. Rytikal, you can share your thoughts in the comments section below. Also, this incident that took place in Mapping, you can share your thoughts on it as well, my people. Until next time, just vibe trader, I'm out.